Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be going through 10 very important SAP material management interview questions. I will be going through each of the questions one by one and also explaining what should be the answer that you can explain against those questions. So the first question, what are the key components in SAP MM? So here you have to say like what are the basic tasks or basic work that we do in material management. Like we can say like master data creation or purchasing, inventory management, invoicing verification or physical inventory or material valuation, service management. So these are the various key components that we are doing in SAP material management. Now we will be moving to the next question. So the question is, what is consignment stock? And let me tell you that if you are working in purchase or MM, it is very important to know that what is the consignment stock. Consignment stock is a type of stock type. It is meaning that if the vendor, or if I talk about company, so the material is residing in the company premises, and when the company uses that article or stock, then company has to pay to the vendor. So the meaning that legally it is owned by one party, but it is held by another party. And once the second party, meaning that when the company uses that material for distribution or retail operation, then the company has to issue the purchase order and need to pay the money. So that's what it is about the stock, consignment stock. Now we will move to the next question. It is what is the use of ME51N Tcode in SAP MM? There are a lot of Tcode in SAP MM, but yeah, and this one is very important one. So what is the use of this? And this Tcode is used to create purchase requisition. Purchase requisition is the first process for the purchase order flow. So this Tcode, using this Tcode, you can create the purchase requisition in MM. Now we'll be moving to the next question, and it is also very important to know that what is STO. STO meaning that stock transfer order. So stock transfer order meaning that when the article or stock is transferred between two branches of your same company, then it is called as STO. So STO is different than normal purchase order, because purchase order that will be issued to a external vendor, but STO is mostly done internally within the same company, or maybe plant to plant transfer, that what we call as STO. Now we will be moving to the next question, like what is the difference between purchase requisition and purchase order? It is also very important and critical question to make the difference. So what is this purchase requisition? Let me tell you that purchase requisition is a document that an employee within your organization creates to request purchase of goods and services. Meaning that using this purchase requisition, it provides a list what should be bought. And on the other side, purchase order meaning that it is a legal document, or like how many articles you need to buy, what should be the price, what should be the quantity, and that will be put out to the vendor. So that's the basic difference between these two terms. Now we are moving to the next one. What is the difference between material MM and material MDM? As you know that material MM is the material management is related to creation of material or something which is mostly surrounding with the material process, and on the other side MDM It is also a new component in SAP product, and it is used as a platform to consolidate, cleanse, and synchronize a single version of truth for master data for different application landscape. Now we are going to the next question. What is the use of Tcode MIGO? MIGO. So using this Tcode, we can use for goods movement. Like in the warehouse, we do a lot of stock transfer, like goods issue or goods receive. So MIGO, using the Tcode MIGO, that can be used for goods movement in SAP. Next is the list a few of the Tcode name for vendor master data. It is also very important to know that what are the Tcodes available for vendor master data. And one we can say like SK01. If you want to create vendor centrally, then you can use this Tcode SK01. And on the other side, if you want to change the vendor or you want to edit the vendor centrally, like vendor master data, then SK02 is the Tcode. And for mass maintenance for vendor, then you can use SK99. Using this Tcode, you can do the mass maintenance for vendor master data. Now we'll be moving to the next question, the question number 9. What is the use of movement type and how to create or assign this? Movement type is a term that is used for any kinds of goods movement within the company, like when the goods are received in the warehouse or when it is issued. Each and every transaction, goods movement type is assigned. And how it is created? There's a Tcode called OMJJ. So using this Tcode, you can create the movement type and you can use it for your internal purposes. Now coming to the last question. What is the Tcode to create material? It is very easy and the last question of this tutorial, and the answer is Tcode MM01. You can use this Tcode MM01 to create material, or otherwise you can also use MM41. Using this Tcode also you can create the material and material master data. So that's the 10 questions that I would like to share in this tutorial. I hope I could able to give you information about this, and all the questions are very important, and I'm sure it will help you in your interview process and preparation. Thank you for watching, and please also look into the other tutorials. I have given the link in the video description. Please comment below if you want to know more about this material master data. And thank you.